Hi, I am Matthew Oshatoye, a realtor and a real estate consultant here in Lagos, Nigeria. I am the founder of Nexus Prime Realty, a real estate marketing and consultancy firm which helps and brings home seekers closer to their dream properties and also to make property acquisition easy, seamless, and stress free. To also help investors actualize optimum returns on investments. Real estate is synonymous to wealth and wellness. Now, this channel is not only going to upload videos or updates on new property developments, this channel is also going to educate and to review everything you need to know about real estate, ranging from what kind of property to invest in and in what location is prime enough to invest in, also title documentation, due diligence, real estate banking, and many more. And our vision here is to become a top leader in the real estate market worldwide. And our goal is to secure optimum return on investments for our clientele. And our core value is to pay adequate attention to detail and due diligence on any and all kinds of real estate property. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, now is the best time to. Kindly click the subscribe button below and also turn on the notification bell to get updates from us and not to miss out. Thank you for watching. Stay blessed. Stay safe. Bye for now.